Hey Mama, it looks like you're whipping up something for the Super Bowl party there. What you cooking?
Fajitas.
Fajitas. Uh-huh.
Peppers and jalapeños.
So what you got there? Onions, jalapenos, and red and orange, yellow peppers?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. That looks good.
Smelling good.
Mm-hmm. Smells good too. What you using? Your new Blackstone griddle top?
Yes.
You like that thing,
I
huh?
love it.
You love it. Me too. What kind of oil are you using on there?
Avocado.
Avocado oil.
Might need to put a little more.
What are you sprinkling on there right now?
Oh, some
What is it? I can't. Oh, let me zoom in on it.
chicken flavor.
Oh, okay. Got it. I can't read it. I'm able to see it, but I don't know. I've never seen it before.
Onion powder.
Onion powder. Gotcha, gotcha.
And I'm going to put a little bit of this sweet and tangy seasoning.
All right, gotcha. That all looks good to me.
The flavor is God. Well,
How high do you have the heat set right now?
like medium low.
Medium low, okay.
Might be a little too hot.
So since you've got this, about how many times do you think ballpark have you cooked on it?
Oh.
20, 50, 100?
30 times?
30 times so far? Probably more than that.
Probably.
Because you've gone through at least 3 or 4 or 5 fuel
yeah,
tanks,
5 or 6
right?
tanks.
Tanks, those things right there.
Propane tanks.
Propane.
A little more oil on here.
A little more avocado oil?
Yep.
All right.
And I use avocado oil because it doesn't start to smoke till it's at least 570 degrees.
Okay, so you use that because it can withstand more heat, up to 500 and something degrees? Okay.
Yep.
Gotcha. How'd you find out about avocado oil on this cooking surface?
Just checking, looking for what oil was the best.
On what, on the internet?
Yeah.
Or YouTube or something?
On the internet.
Okay.
And which are healthier for you too.
Huh?
And which is healthier for you.
Oh, and it's healthy? Okay.
And it doesn't have any flavor.
Good, good.
So it doesn't interfere.
Fantastic. I see those jalapenos are starting to get a nice little grill browning to them.
And you and I like our peppers and onions cooked.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, they got better flavor when you cook them a little longer. Who are you rooting for in the Super Bowl? Chiefs or Niners?
I don't know, whoever wins.
Hopefully your square hits on the
Yeah, I hope.
on the Rocket Mortgage Square promo.
That would be great.
Win a little cash.
Okay. I'm about to put some meat on.
You're gonna put some meat on? All right. What are you doing now? What's that?
Just
More oil? Okay, for the meat? Okay. Sorry guys, I'm hand holding, so it's a little shaky. I don't have a tripod. I might set up a tripod next time. What you got there? Some skirt steak?
Skirt steak.
Nice. Been marinating
Yeah.
for how long?
Well, I seasoned it before I put it in the freezer.
Oh, you put it in the freezer and seasoned it
Yeah.
first? Okay.
When I bought it.
When you bought it, okay.
So that's been a week or so.
All right, what'd you season it with? What'd you marinate it in?
All kinds.
Bunch of stuff? Homemade secret, ancient Chinese Mexican secret, huh? Okay. You can get a lot on there. Well, this is a 36-inch Blackstone griddle top?
Yep.
Nice. I know you're real happy with it.
I love it.
Tortillas? Thanks. Those are good tortillas. You say they're gluten-free too? Corn tortillas? They have great flavor. Coming along nicely. I don't think I've ever watched you cook on here a full meal before, so I'm learning something too. Now I can see you took all the seeds out of everything for me since I don't do seeds. I appreciate that. Doesn't take long, does it?
Nope. Then while the meat's resting, I'll do the tortillas.
Okay.
How many do you want?
Oh, not too many. I'm going to try not to go crazy today. You got to save some room for beer during the game.
Yeah.
And you said you changed the tank before you started because you were getting low in the old tank, right?
Yeah.
And you didn't want to have to mess with changing it right in the middle of dealing with everything. That makes sense. How do you tell you have a fuel gauge on your...
Gauge right there.
Oh, you have a gauge on your propane tank. That looks like a pretty handy little deal right there. Oh, you turned them over. Looks great. Skirt steak, right?
Yep.
Okay. So how long was that on the first side? Only maybe 5 minutes?
Yeah, maybe
Not even that,
maybe
huh?
4.
Okay.
Doesn't take long.
No, those are nice and thin.
That's the thickest part right there.
Uh-huh. Gotcha.
And then they'll have to rest for a few minutes while I
And they'll rest for a few
cook the
minutes
tortillas.
while you do the tortillas. Okay. I'm repeating because I'm not sure. This is the first time I'm using this microphone. I'm not sure if it's picking up what you're saying or not.
Probably is. Oh, those peppers look good to you?
Oh, it all looks good to me. You just cook it the way you would normally do it. Don't worry about me. I'm going to enjoy it no matter what.
Ooh, jalapeños. Love those things.
Are all jalapenos the same, or is that a certain kind of jalapeno?
No, it's just regular.
Just regular fresh jalapenos you can get anywhere?
Jalapeno.
Gotcha.
Okay, that's enough. Go ahead. Put these off.
You're going to take those off now?
Yeah.
All right.
The way I like them.
As long as they're done enough for you, they're done enough for me.
Yeah.
I remember that one time we got some, they were burned to a crisp at a restaurant, but they tasted so good. I think it was an accident because when we tried to order them that way
Yeah.
forever again after that, they never got that dark. But they tasted great.
Yep. Alright, check it out. Looks good, huh?
Yep, fantastic.
I'll take the meat off in a minute.
So getting this griddle top has made cooking easier for you, hasn't it?
Oh, yeah.
What's that, butter?
Butter.
Okay, for the tortillas.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Now that butter won't burn on there, right?
No.
It's not
because
that.
it's got other oil on it.
Okay.
Avocado oil.
Gotcha, gotcha. And it's not that hot, right?
Mm-mm.
It's not on high.
Right.
Okay. But that avocado oil helps?
Yeah.
Cool.
Just like olive oil if you mix it with butter.
Okay, just like olive oil when you
Helps
mix
keep
it.
the
Okay.
butter from burning.
Keeps the butter from burning. Got it. Learn something new every day.
And see, this is how I package the tortillas when I buy them, so I can vacuum seal them and freeze them.
Okay, you put paper in between each tortilla.
Yep.
Gotcha. That's a good idea.
That way they don't stick together.
That way they don't stick together. Gotcha.
I'll cook up some extras for later.
Okay. Cook up some extras for later.
Yep.
I'm only repeating myself because I'm not sure if the mic's picking you up.
Yep.
Again, like I said. 2, 4, 6, you got 8 on there. And you could, if that meat was there, you could probably do like 15 tortillas on there at once if you wanted to, huh?
Mm-hmm. Okay, I gotta take that meat off.
All right. The meat's about done, you say?
Yep.
Looks good to me.
Let me turn the heat up.
Yeah, I was going to say, are you sure it's done? Turned it down, huh? We'll leave it on there another minute or two.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Do you remember offhand who makes those tortillas or where you get them at?
I think it's
Tia Ria or something like that? And you get them at where?
I find them at Ralph's.
At Ralph's? And they're gluten-free corn tortillas.
Non-GMO.
Non-GMO. They have great corn flavor. I love these tortillas. They taste better than gluten-laced tortillas, if you ask me. Is that the salted butter or the unsalted butter?
Salted.
That's the regular salted butter for me. Thanks, because I like that.
Mm-hmm.
I know you try and eat the unsalted butter.
Yeah.
It won't be long before I have to eat that too, in my old age. Well, that just makes cooking look easy when you use this Blackstone 36-inch
It's like cooking
griddle
a
top.
one-pot meal.
Like cooking a one-pot meal, Mom says. Okay.
Got one pot of meal, basically, that's been cooking.
Gotta love it. And you have a little tortilla warmer there, or a insulated holder that keeps them
Yeah, but
nice and hot once you plop the lid on it, huh?
I can't find the lid. I think it fell down
Oh,
behind something, so we're using foil.
okay, we'll get the lid sooner or later. We'll run across it.
Hold the heat in.
I was probably using it for a Frisbee one day. I threw it somewhere. That's what kids do, right?
Yeah.
They use Mama's tools when they ain't supposed to.
Alright, this is done.
Yeah, that's looking real good.
And this is really done to it.
Yeah, it looks kind of soft in the middle there. You sure?
Yeah.
It's all right with me. I don't mind if it's medium. You know.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to take
Good.
this one off.
Yeah, that one's for sure done. Now, does the heat stay even? Like this meat was way over on the side. Is that?
Got a burner here, and here.
There's 4 burners under it. So you can adjust each one
Yep, individually.
with the knob. Okay.
And these are
So
turned off.
that's cool. So you get the meat over here. You can put it to its own temp,
Yep.
and if you need it hotter or not so hot,
Yep.
nice. That's a nice piece of equipment.
I love it.
Blackstone, people, get one. You won't regret it. Looks like cleanup is easy, huh? Since you sanded it down with something. What'd you use? Some sandpaper or
Yeah, wet sandpaper and black soil.
wet sandpaper and flax oil? Some guy you saw on YouTube showed you how to do it, huh?
Yep.
And it made all the difference in the world, you said. Now it's like glass. Smooth.
Alright, and what I like to do is turn the gas off first.
Turn the gas off first is
That way
your
what's in the wine will
good
burn
idea.
off, and
All
then
right.
turn that off.
And we're about done. All right. Thanks for watching. We're going to go eat. Enjoy the Super Bowl.
I got a great